Hello everyone, we will learn how to add pictures in Excel comment. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I already add here the comment. In cricketers, you can see the cricketer picture I already added. Okay. So let's see how it's done. So I simply select the cell and go to the review tab. In comments group, click on the new comments. Okay. So here to add the new comment box is added. I remove this admin. Okay, and just keep cursor on the border, four arrow here showing. Simply right click on the mouse and click on the format comments. Okay, and here the format comment dialog box is open. Click on the colors and lines tab. Okay, in field in colors, just click on this drop down arrow and click on the field effects option. In field effects dialog box, click on the pictures tab and here select the pictures. Select picture. Click on the from or file from your laptop. So I select here my pictures and select this one, picture number 3. And that's it. Here you can see the picture preview they're showing. Okay. After that, click on the OK and click on OK. And here you can see your picture is inserted. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.